Hey guys, welcome to All-Star Toyota. My name is Jake, I'm the product specialist here. Today I'm going to be showing you all the 2019 Toyota RAV4 X and SE all-wheel drive hybrid model, okay? The Toyota RAV4 actually uses two forms of power to get to the wheels. It uses the hybrid battery, which is good for 8 years and a 100,000 mile warranty. You also have the regular old engine, right, which is a 5-year, 60,000 mile powertrain warranty. You also have the 3-year, 36,000 mile bumper-to-bumper warranty. And you also have all the great safety features that come with Toyota. With Toyota's active safety features, TSSP 2.0, it also has the full dynamic radar cruise control, lane departure alert with steering assist, automatic high beams, road sign assist, and pre-collision with pedestrian detection. Space for you and your family. Plus it comes with a little bit of safety with the windows. What happens is they're automatic, so nobody can roll their hands up anymore, dogs included, cats even. Also, it has an enormous trunk space. It also comes with the rear power liftgate, so you don't have to worry about closing it. You just press the button and follow me inside. Also, it comes with QI wireless charging, so you can charge your phone if it's an iPhone 8 or higher and Galaxy 6 or higher. All you have to do is place it on the pad and it charges your phone. You also have the JBL Intune 3.0 head unit, which has dynamic navigation inside of it, but it also comes with Apple CarPlay. You also have heated seats right here for low, high, and turned off. You'll also have dual climate control with a panoramic sunroof. 2019 Toyota RAV4 X and SE all-wheel drive hybrid model.